Congratulations, we are getting close to the end of your escrow period here, which means we're about to close on your home and it will officially be yours. So as we approach the end here, a handful of things to keep in mind that will be coming up. A few days prior to closing, we will do a final walkthrough of the property. This is called the verification of property. This can be a bit of a formality, but is also important if we have asked the seller to take care of any repairs. This can be used to verify that they've done what they're supposed to do. This is also used to verify that, or this is also completed to verify that the home is still in the same condition as it was when you made the offer and that there's been no additional damage or nothing major has come up in the meantime that the seller needs to take care of. So we will coordinate when to schedule this final walkthrough. Additionally, the lender will be creating the loan docs and send those to, additionally, the lender will be sending the loan documents to Escrow. Escrow will contact a notary who will reach out to you. You can coordinate to either do the signing of the documents at the escrow office, or you can have the notary come to your home, meet you at a coffee shop, whatever you'd like to do and whatever is most convenient. So keep an eye out for a phone call from the notary for signing the loan docs. You will also receive an estimated settlement from escrow. This is basically a balance sheet of all of your fees throughout the process and how much money you will need to bring to the table to close on the property. So if you have not received that yet, or as we are approaching the final few days, either reach out to escrow about it or ask me. I can contact them as well. Worst case scenario, it is included with your loan documents as well, but I think it's helpful to have prior to that. That way you can plan ahead and make sure that you have the time and money prepared for sending in your final wire for the remainder of the down payment. In addition to that, if there's anything else that the lender is requesting of you or that escrow is requesting of you, or if my TCs are saying there's any outstanding paperwork that still needs to be signed, just keep an eye out for anything that needs to be done yet to tie everything up and wrap this up. So again, if you have any questions, reach out to me and we will chat soon.